Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put the bobbin into the machine, and this is probably like the most difficult part. So right here, where the actual little like sewing part is, this part, it should actually like snap off. So you take that part off, and you got the inside. You open up this little door, and then this little dealie in here, it's got a little latch that opens up. Pull that latch, and then you can just pull the whole thing out. Okay? So now we have this dealie looking thing. So, okay, you take your bobbin that's been threaded. Okay. You take this dealie that you just pulled out of the machine. On the inside, you just pop it in. But make sure you're still holding on to that end piece of thread. So right here on the side of this metal thing, if I can get it. Okay, there's a little notch right there. You just catch the thread into that notch and then pull it up. And then as you turn this thing, you see there's like a, I don't know, a slot right there. You pull it up so that it goes right there, like where the slot begins. So it's completely in this little like dealie bobber now. Okay, so still make sure the whole time you're holding on to the thread so you don't lose it. So, okay, now use the camera. Is that gonna work? Okay. So, you take this little lever thing again, hold it by that, and you pop it right back in. And you can see on the top there's like the little stick dealie that will set perfectly into that notch. Okay? And you still have your thread right here. So go back to the top. We still have our spool up here. Take the thread, and then right here, instead of putting it around the round part for threading the bobbin, you're going to put it through this notch right here. So, if I can do this one-handed. So there you go. You have it in the notch dealie deal. Okay. So here in front, your thread's gonna come down into this like notch right here. You put it in there and you wrap it around this dial behind it. Okay? And then up here at the top, see, I have to do this like one-handed, so this is gonna be totally retarded. You got the thread up right here. Over here on the side, this little turny dialy dealie. When you turn that, there's this little metal thing in here, like a hook, that's gonna go up. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. That hook will catch the thread. So now the hook has the thread's down here, if you can see. Okay, now this is kind of like the shitty part. Let's see if I can attempt to show you this. I should like move this out of here. Okay. You have your thread here. And back behind this thing, there's gonna be, I can't really show it to you on the camera, but it's like another little hook. You just take the thread behind your finger and get it behind that hook. So now it's like trapped in there. Okay. Now, you take that, and then thread the thread through the hole in the needle. And pull it through. Okay, now this little thingy at the bottom, you now take the thread and put it through, it's like a little, like, I don't know, another little notch inside of there. You pull it through that hole that's right there. And just let it hang back. And now your needle is completely threaded.